So we're at Set NoLibs in Philly. It's the first time I've been here. We've only been to Philly maybe twice, but we've never done it for the show. We'll see how it is.
Muy delicioso.
Hits. We're at Set NoLibs in Philly. We just got done with the casino. I was positive for the first time ever in poker. We went to Crust, the bakery earlier, got the king cake, slap. Now we're getting drinks. I got the goose in the water, which is like watermelon, Grey Goose, delicious. What'd you get?
Got the something tiki.
Tiki some.
Pineapple.
Looks amazing. This place is sick. It's definitely like a major brunch vibe. They have Bellini Towers and Mimosa Towers. It's sick. I got the Beyond Burger. They got steak. They're not vegan, but ain't mad about it.
Got back to.
I made it back.
Don't know how.
Thank you. This shit looks crazy. Yo. Could I do the spicy paloma?
Yeah, the orange.
Blood orange. Instead of the spicy paloma, I'm getting a spicy marg, and she's gonna just make it. Sick. This is sexy old. I haven't had a burger in a minute. Wow. Thank you so much. The food is so good. Spicy marg. You can't get this. You can't get this. I got some heat on it. Crushed it. Burger was seasoned incredibly well. The French fries had like Cajun seasoning on them. They were perfect, they were crispy. The drinks have been great. The vibe is immaculate in here. I fuck with this place heavy. If I lived in Philly, I would come here all the time. I'd be in debt. I wasn't even filming.
Wow.
Fucking idiot. Dumbass, yeah, that whole time. Drinks gone, food's gone. We out this bitch. Burger was slapping. All the drinks were really good. Bartender was cool. We got sat down at the bar really quick, even though they're super full. Drinks were good. Food was good. Service was great. We out of here. That's it.